Hey everyone, Ted Hill with Superior Image Car Care. Today we're here talking about our product called Kwik Seal Gold. This is our carnauba and polymer spray wax. You'll see in both the gallon and 16 ounce, that's the two versions this comes in. It doesn't come in a 32 or 5 or anything like that because they do have to be shooken up to use. They're a solvent base, right? It's keeping the actual carnaubas in a liquid forms. It's not a separating bad chemical thing. They're designed to do that. But again, that's a carnauba base and polymer, so you get that great shine and feel and glow of carnauba, but you get the longevity of the polymer. So real simple, shake on the 16, you just take the cap off, put a trigger right on it. If you're on a dry vehicle, I would say probably spray onto a microfiber towel, wipe into a good surface, flip the towel, and buff once it flashes. It flashes pretty quick. Super safe on anything. It won't chalk or white out unpainted black plastics or gray plastics or anything like that, so you don't ever have to worry about overspraying anything like that. And then it can also be used as a drying aid. You can use it on a wet vehicle to help dry the vehicles. And again, they come in the 16, the 1 gallon. They're ready to use products. Give them a quick shake and enjoy the shine.